How to set up D Link Wi-Fi extender model DHP P610AV. Stick around and I'll show you what's in the box from TalkTalk. Hello everyone, welcome to Exquisite Info. Today I'm going to unbox a TalkTalk Wi-Fi extenders kit. Unfortunately, I've already unboxed it, so there's nothing really to unbox from beginning, but I'll still do it to show you what's in the box. This is more of a review of how this works and how useful this can be in a room where you have a bad internet connection. So we're gonna open it and show you exactly what's in the box. So for starters, you have these two adapters. Right, as you can see, this is another one. Two adapters, and it's got a cable, an extra cable if you need, and it's got these cards, basically how to guide and that. We don't need this extender setup guide, I know how to do it, but if you want to, it's basically, as you can see, look, you connect one in the main port where your router is and the other one upstairs or anywhere you have bad connection. And then there's a return kind of bag, so if you want to return your used ones, if you do have anything, so you can return it. So what this do is basically gives you a boost, like I said, to your internet speed. Now these are very latest version, the D Link one. The model is there as well, DHP W610AV. This is the latest one. So on these ones, as you can see, there's a port where you connect the Ethernet cable, the yellow port right there. Basically, this is the small one. You connect it to the main router place, or main, where your main master socket is. You connect this one, and then this one is the extender one where you have the bad speed. You connect it there. This should have the port right here. So first one is here, so you connect the port and then connect it to your router. So my router is in the main room and I'm having upstairs issue to play PlayStation. My little one is having issues, so we're gonna take this upstairs and to connect it and show you how much improvement in the speed there is. Now this is my router, so I've already got a cable coming down from there. So as you can see, I've connected the first part. So the smaller unit, there are two different units. As you can see, look, the size difference. The smaller one is for downstairs, or where you have the master socket, or where you have the router. So basically the smaller one goes there. The other one, you can tell the difference. It has these things that, I don't know what it does, probably boost your speed or whatever, but this, you can tell the difference. This is for the upstairs or the room where you have bad connection issue. So as you can see on the side, there's a Ethernet slot where you connect the yellow cable or the Ethernet cable, which will improve the PlayStation 4 speed completely. There you have it. I've connected the Ethernet cable, same as you connected to the router. So now I'm going to plug it in. The lights on here should turn on. As you can see, only two lights are connected. The third one is coming on now, but it's on the red because we don't have any PlayStation on. So now my little one has connected the PlayStation. The light has turned green. This is now fully ready. I'll show you the upstairs setup as well. So this cable is coming directly from the TV. We do have Wi-Fi set up on this TV, but unfortunately the Wi-Fi is very bad, so I connected through the Ethernet. But with this, it does improve a lot. You know, even if you do it Wi-Fi, it has improved it, but I don't want to take the risk because my kid is always shouting, so I just want to do it perfectly through Ethernet. So like same thing, the port is there, just connect the Ethernet cable and then simply plug it in, and then every light should come on, and that should be it. So before we move forward, I'll show you the connection is done. It's all connected, the wires and everything. And now just all I need to do on the PlayStation is to move it to LAN connection instead of Wi-Fi. So we do this like this. As you can see, the option set up internet connection and the Wi-Fi is selected, so I'm going to move it down to LAN connection. Easy. Right, so this is going to check that everything is ready, and we're going to do the test like before, and it should give you the 33.7. look at that difference from 11 to 33. Usually we get about 15, but today has been very bad. So from 11 to 33.7, that's a lot. Now the last part I want to show you is even Wi-Fi improves the speed. I did tell you, so I'm going to do this Wi-Fi with this thing itself. So it's going to catch the signal. So let's do it. the Wi-Fi improvement. Forget about the LAN cable for now. So like before, we're going to do set up internet connection. Instead of LAN, we're going to move it to Wi-Fi, right? And we're going to click yes. Test internet connection. So this is now completely Wi-Fi. Check the speed now. So you'll see the improvement of Wi-Fi speed as well with this thing. Anyway you have bad signal, this will really boost you up. Watch the speed improvement. So not only 32.8 from 11 to 32. Now with the Ethernet it wasn't really much difference from Wi-Fi, but I prefer Ethernet so it doesn't really go disconnection. So you don't have to be just TalkTalk adapter, you can get any adapters and it really does improve. But the reason why I like TalkTalk is that they give you two adapters, so it kind of helps. So if you would like to purchase the exact model that I have, it's there on the TalkTalk website. Network adapter £40, and it says one pair of plugs, so basically it comes in two. And this is one reason I recommend using network adapters if you have TalkTalk, to use the TalkTalk one itself. The reason for this is usually when you get one, the connection is very good, but with two it improves because you connect the first one right into the router itself, so you're kind of giving it extra boost compared to normal adapters. So with this, not only does your PlayStation speed improve, but your Wi-Fi overall as well. So if you're in another room with all these issues, the providers are having currently, the 35 is still better than the thing. I mean, it's much better than 15, because 15 is very difficult. As you know, PlayStation cannot be played anything less than 2025. It's very bad, and this has really made my life easier, and it'll make your life easy as well. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to Exquisite Info. Thank you.